Hi everyone, today we're doing 9 plus 3 and Raha's going to show us how she did it. So Raha, do you see 9 somewhere?
Yes, I see 9 here. So 5 plus 4 equals 9, or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Perfecto! So we see 9 in the green, and do you see 3 somewhere?
Yes, here, so flash my eyes.
You just flash your eyes and you see 3. Okay, I'm going to start off with the 9, and I'm going to bring it up here. Alright, and I'm not taking any away, right? So it's all still here. Okay, what are you going to do, Raha?
I'm gonna put a line here.
Oh, because you really like to see the 10, right? So we'll put a 10 here.
Then
Okay.
I split the 3 into 1 and 2 to make
12, yeah. So let's just write this down so people can see it. So you split the 3 into 1 and 2. And so you went 9 plus 1 equals 10. Plus another 2 gives you
12!
You are one awesome learner. Hi everyone, we're doing 9 plus 3, and Miss Nikki's going to show us how to solve this question using our fingers. Okay, so we're going to put 9 in our heads. Okay?
10.
Okay.
11. 12.
Awesome, and this is how it grew, right? And you
Yeah.
see 12 here. Okay, so 9 plus 3 equals?
Wow.
Perfecto!